Hey, this is Elisa with WTI. Isn't it true that we can always find snacks that are loaded with sugar and carbs? Let me tell you how I have found these ones that are high in protein. They're delicious and very clean. These grass-fed beef sticks from Country Archer Provisions are delicious. I love the fact that they're individually packaged. They come in mini form, which is great for portion control. They smell so delicious. Honestly, it's super hard to eat just one of them. These are great if you are trying to intake more protein. They're great for traveling. You just put them on your purse and they are ready to go. I love this company because they provide real grass-fed beef with no sugar added and no questionable ingredients. So if you're trying to have a low-carb diet or reach your protein intake or just have a balanced diet, these are going to be ideal, and that is my point of view.